Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to background apps permission snipping tool settings on Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the search option. Here we can search it easily. So in search go to the settings. So here settings, go to the apps where installed apps, uninstall and manage apps on your PC, any kinds of apps whatever we install in our PC. So we can check from here. So click here and we want the snipping tools. So snipping we have to write, otherwise we can't get. Sorry, snipping, see here. So go to this three dot icons, so advanced options, click here. So here the background apps permission, let this app run in background, power optimization, recommended or always or never. Here we will select it by default, whatever else has. If we want always, whenever we on this app, so always the background apps permission has been wanted in this way. And if we don't, if you do click never, then the thing has been never come that we have to give the permission again and again. That's why this system, that means the Windows 11 operating system, always has been referred the this power optimization optimized. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.